This is an Afro Media original.
I look at myself in the mirror every day. I look at myself saying, stop being lazy. You need to do stuff. You need to get pumped.
Are you ready to get pumped? Quit being a girly man and do push-ups. Now it's time to do some squats. 1, 2, 3. This has been Not Arnold with your daily workout. If you want to reach me for some personal training so you can get this buff in me to get a big form like this, call me at 999-9999. Thank you, and I hope you have a nice day. I'll see you when you get home.